So we are at Mahima Simons' place for a very interesting cooking session. Let's go meet her. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Meeting?
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Yeah, so we are very excited to know what's waiting for us inside.
So today I'm planning to show you some appam, the famous Kerala appams, palappam. And along with that we'll be making some curry to serve along with the appams. So we'll be making chicken mappas and fish mango curry, and for vegetarians we are making vegetable stew.
So we have something for the vegetarians planned.
Definitely.
So we're excited to know. Let's go try it. Food that is cooked with love just tastes better. HOGR Explore planned a cooking session with Kerala's favorite YouTuber, Mahima Simons.
So this makes our appam very soft. All those ingredients, okay? This is garlic, shallots, chili powder and coriander powder. Like a little more, right? Thing, you have to add one tomato. Making the curry, fish manga curry. Coconut and the mangoes.
It was more than just a meal. It was a sweet memory where everyone came together to appreciate the simplicity of cooking and sharing a meal.
Here we have fish manga curry, which can be served with appam and rice, and also chicken mappas goes with appam and fish.
We all got lucky and saw her in her element and learned a lot from her. HOGR Explore is dedicated to bringing such curated experiences. Stay tuned for more.